UV printers. You get the same speed, flexibility, and quality as that of our existing DirectJets with the added feature of UV curable inks. The UV LED lamp and our specially formulated multi-solve inks combine to provide almost instantaneous drying, which allows for printing on glass, wood, metals, ceramic tiles, acrylic, and many more difficult to print to substrates. The DirectJet 1024 UV has a bed size of 240 square inches, which will allow for 40 golf balls using our custom jig. The crisp, clear image printed on these golf balls is an incredible 7/8 of an inch. Direct color can custom design and manufacture jigs for any number of applications. The UV ink is ideal for industrial applications as well, providing a long-lasting mark on many metals, including powder-coated. With a resolution of up to 5760 dpi and an ink droplet size as small as 1.5 picoliters, fine detailed text is easily achieved and even the most delicate parts can be marked without fear of damage. The multi-solve ink is cured in line, allowing for a large amount of ink to be used. This makes a fully opaque white and vibrant colored printing possible even on the darkest substrates. Add in our optional direct drive stepper module and this precision printer becomes a workhorse, holding substrates of up to 20 pounds while maintaining smooth table movement. As the table moves, the printer will automatically adjust the height of the print engine, avoiding head strikes and providing you with a precision image. The printer can be adjusted for substrates as tall as 6 inches. All of this printing is amazing, but it doesn't mean anything if the ink won't stay where you put it. Watch as pure acetone is wiped across this printed metal plate. The ink will not come off. In addition to their strength and versatility, UV LED inks also provide you with easier maintenance. Unlike solvent inks, UV LED inks only cure with light, so when the correct procedures are followed, there is no worrying about clogs forming in the printer. Please contact Direct Color Systems or your local sales representative for more information.